Hey, what is up, guys? Urban Awesome 1000 back with another video. I'm gonna skip in this ad, or I'm just gonna turn this ad around because I can't click the top because I can't. My iPad's broken, so I have to do that. But it doesn't matter. Are you guys being annoyed from that? But today I'm gonna do a weapon review. Dang it! I was watching a video. But we're gonna do a weapon review or something. Do not stop from me. Okay, we're gonna do a review on the we're gonna review the chainsaw. This is what you define when you have this compared to this powerful weapon, the chainsaw sword. But this one is worser, but it's a chainsaw. And who loves about chainsaws? Even though my cool body looks like it doesn't use chainsaws. So let's go to battle. That's probably the only side, the meal weapons, that I bought a few weapons with. So I'm gonna go to one that I never been to before. Okay. Only meal weapons. Okay. So that means the knife thing should be good, but I'm gonna use none of those. Man, I reckon the knife party filled with stuff. Now let's get going, bros. Now let's see who's gonna be the winner. Chicken dinner. Winner chicken dinner at the little bacon dinner. Even though I can do this team fight. Dang it! First kill got. I'll use a grenade for the first kill so I can feel like I did a kill. Dang it. Yeah. Dang it! Got dead. What? Dang it, I got killed. Yeah! Bro, I'm the best. I got the chainsaw. Bro, you ate me. I'm gonna kill you. Whoa. Bro, I'm gonna kill you. And you see this, it has 8 efficiency, and I bought it for like 80, 70 coins. And this is only 1 upgrade, so you don't have to worry about other upgrades, even though it's super bad. Match finished, you see? And I did not get a lot, but I got 2 XP. I thought my knife was a good place, so I hope you enjoyed it. But yeah, I killed her and she killed me, and she was level 16 like I was. I'm the first. I'm the number 1. I'm number 1. I'm number 1. I'm number 1. I'm number 1. And I feel like I'm number 3 because I am. I will never win with the chainsaw. If I have the diamond demon, I said diamond demon. The fire demon, I would be good. But if I got the chainsaw sword, I will be awesome and win every round. But that one, you know, nobody wins every round. It's just he killed me. It always happens. I don't get kills too much because I'm the worst player in Pixel Gun. Even nobody that's worse than me cannot stop my worstness. He left this chainsaw sword. I'm never gonna beat him against the chance that he has the chainsaw sword. You know what? I'm going after him. I'm gonna send a message saying, I don't use the chainsaw sword. Dang it, he killed me. Or I was gonna make a message. Come on. Don't use the chainsaw sword. Don't use the chainsaw sword. Man is glitching. Let me see. Don't use the chainsaw sword. Said, I do not like using the chainsaw sword. So I'm using this. That guy just don't not use the chainsaw. No, we have. I killed that one person with the chainsaw sword. I am cool. I killed a person with the chainsaw sword because he was coming after me, and I just killed him. I destroyed him. Yeah, I'm an awesome. No. Oh, I locked the door for people getting there. I got 1 XP and really. Someone got 16 kills and I got 2 kills. Even though I got 2. Yeah, that's good. This is the end of this episode. I hope you enjoyed the chainsaw thingy. Bye.